What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's a new one. Alright, we got a 250 Lariat. This is the same truck that I did one of my other videos on for the steering wheel, but the other complaint was the heated seat is INOP. And I've already went through some of the self-tests on the the seat control module E, and we have some on-demand DTCs, thermoelectric driver open load. We got driver differential temperature fault. So I'm going to pull up some of the PIDs here for both the passenger and driver's heated seat. I am going to need to start this unit. Hold on. Alright. So, we're going to watch these PIDs here. Let me get up in here. Alright, let's watch these PIDs here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the passenger's heated seat. Okay, watch these temps. Okay. And you're going to see them hover right around there, fluctuate up and down 10 or 15 degrees. It shuts off, cools down, you can hear the fan on it. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on the drivers, and we're going to watch what its temps do. Okay, see it climbing, climbing, climbing? The seat is getting warm, but as soon as it reaches its hover point that it usually stays at, like look at the passenger, how it's at 194, it actually is going to shut off and it goes into protection mode and won't let anything further happen because there is so much of a differential temperature difference between the back and the seat. What we're going to be going after is the part in the seat back is called a TED, and it is a thermoelectronic device, and it is what supplies the cool and heated AC portion for our Superduty seats and in our other Ford products. Just probably, you know, I'm sure they're not the same exact ones, but let me show you what they look like. This is the part number for a 17 driver's seat back, and this is actually what it looks like. See, it's got a little duct, electrical connector. You can actually see like the little elements in there that are gonna get warm and cold and do its, not cold, rather, the fan just blows air across or through this. This is kind of cool. Can't squeeze it. It always has a, you know, air middle part of it, so that's what allows it to at least blow all the way through the seat. So this is what we're going to have to replace, and obviously you can't do that with the seat in the truck, so we finna take it out. And yeah, it doesn't look like it would be that bad. I've taken them out before. Pop the cover, a couple 18s or 21s for the front or back, and an electrical connector. So, alright, here we go. Alright, the seat hasn't been jettisoned out of the truck and is gingerly flipped back over its front side, and here is that right there. So you can see we are going to have to remove this whole shield here, like, you know, material shield, and it's going to go up in here and eventually get to a couple of zippers that we'll have to kind of work up over. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is take everything off that I need to get this off and this off. Okay, remove the connectors, remove my two bungees, and you can see what we're gonna have to do now. So we're just gonna have to work this all the way up. Okay, when you get it pulled back farther, you will have to take that apart. They clip together, you just gotta work it off, but there are two on each side. And then once you come up a little further, let me hold on. And once you come a little further, there's a little Velcro strap here that goes from side to side that you'll want to take off. And then we're going to keep diving in. Okay, so check this out. I'll show you. In that Velcro strap that went across, it holds the little zipper right here. Go ahead and work that out. And it is where the two are seamed together. And I'm going to show you how I take that off, or what I found worked well. Alright, so what I do is I just really gently, I'm just pulling this towards where they meet. And then I'm going to take my 90-degree pick. I'm going to hold these two that I've already went undone, and I'm just going to totally work the zipper all the way to the top, just like that. Alright, I've got the seat sitting back upright, and now it's just a big flap, and now you can see our part that we need. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this up, and maybe. So we got a little duct here. Got some tabs we gotta push on. Got electrical connector, and yeah, it sits on, looks like a piece of the metal that goes under the seat cushion. So let me see if I can get this thing wiggled out. Whee! Okay, I went and clipped everything out. And like I said, it was clipped to this metal piece that goes underneath the seat cushion. And it's pretty much hinging right there. And ta-da! There's our Ted. Hi, Teddy! Hi, Teddy! Yeah, so we're gonna throw the new one in carefully. And yeah, I'm gonna put the seat back in and we're gonna check it for operation. We're gonna watch those PIDs and they should be climbing. Okay, no more play. Back to work. Okay, I got the seat back in and we are going to rerun our self-test. We're going to be hopefully looking for this DTC to clear out because that means there's an electrical issue going on right now. So, we shall wait. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's actually blowing the fans in each of the seats right now. The back, the seat, on both. Okay, I just switched over. Okay, let's see what it says. Pass, okay. So let's go ahead and clear these guys out. So we have no DTCs in any of our modules. And we shall wait again. Okay, pass. So let's go ahead and start the truck. Oops. And let's go to our data logger. I want to get that live. Okay, what's our temps reading? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn on our passenger. Got 3 red lights on. Okay, watch us creep up. Creep. Check it. Okay, remember they were like 192-ish. Okay, the driver's side, we're going 3 red lights. Let's watch us go up. Oh man, check it out. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah, buddy. All right, you guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. If anybody's had to blast out a TED on their truck for either the passenger or driver's heated bottom back not working, but in this case it just totally shuts down the heated seat function altogether. Drop me a like and subscribe, guys. Thanks so much. We'll see you next Friday.